Presenting a pre-owned 2016 MINI Clubman. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mini has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include Sport Package, Technology Package, Auxiliary Audio Input, Satellite Radio, Speed-Sensitive Volume Control, Wireless Data Link, Power Windows, Window Defogger, Air Filtration, Front Air Conditioning, Cruise Control, Power Steering, Digital Odometer, External Temperature Display, Airbags, Anti-Lock Brakes, Braking Assist, Power Brakes, Child Seat Anchors, Seatbelt Force Limiters, Power Door Locks, Stability Control, Traction Control, Moonroof, and Keyless Entry.